Next question, sir.
Alright, yes. Like I said, guys, I've spoken with your mother, and for about the past 6 weeks, I've been breaking out with some kind of rash that looks like welts. It comes out like 6 times a day. And I've been to the doctor, I've never had no kind of disease, nothing ever. Every year I'm tested. And everything is supposed to be clear, but I keep breaking out these welts all over.
When you bathe, do you find that sometimes you have to run out the bathroom? Because you're itching?
Yeah.
I had that. I had exactly what you had. That's nerve. That's nerve. I used to break out with welts.
Yeah.
I used to buy calamine lotion.
Yeah, I did that too.
Man, it's nerve. That's okay. We'll treat that.
Okay, so that is open up my hair faded in that house.
Well, unlike you, I always had a bald head from a little boy. I didn't like nobody in my head, you know. But we have a nerve, a composition, a hair food. I don't know if you have some. No, but we have a hair food all that we will have here in Atlanta, and you will carry it.
You have something for the nerve.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah?
Most definitely. Man, do you know that I was given a car, and I hate to drive it. Man, I hate to drive this car. Every time I drive the car, people look at me, especially when I got it 4 or 5 years ago. Eddie Murphy, mother, took our compound, and she felt so good. He bought me a car. A Range Rover. You know, that's an embarrassing car, because people think I'm a millionaire. I don't like that feeling.